What's good, Boost? It's Sheenboo, and you already know we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial today, and we're trying some new stuff. So I went to bareMinerals. bareMinerals. When I first started wearing makeup, all I would wear is bareMinerals because, as you guys can see, I've always had pretty decent skin. Not perfect, but pretty decent. So I didn't want to like mess it up when I wanted to start wearing makeup, because I didn't even start wearing makeup to my early 20s. They gave me a whole bunch of samples. I'm not going to show all of them because I gotta go for church. But the star of the show today is the bareMinerals Complexion Rescue Stick. This is what the box looks like. So I was telling the lady while she had grabbed a color. She was on her way to grab color, and I was like, normally the foundations that have a nut name in it matches my skin perfectly because I'm a nut brown. So I was like, chestnut, almond, you know, coconut, stuff like that usually matches my skin. She was like, guess what shade I grabbed? She's like, chestnut. So I was like, that's so ironic. Y'all, this look like my skin in a stick. This is the identical same color as my skin. Like, I told her, like, I kept telling her to put more on my face because I couldn't even see where I was going. So we got that. I had to re-up on my primer, my bareMinerals Prime Time. You guys have seen this before. It's been a while, but you've seen it. I'm dropping stuff, y'all. Whatever. But this is my bareMinerals Prime Time. There it is, bareMinerals Prime Time. So she put some other stuff on my face. So cleansing oil. This is a cream primer, but I'm used to the Prime Time. And then she gave me some combo moisturizer. Told her my skin was normal. She gave me combo moisturizer. But you guys don't really see nothing. That's what the samples look like. That's not gonna help you anyway. I just told you the name because what's in the package. And then I got some travel size goodies that I plan on using today. So I got the Gin Nude Lip Lacquer as a travel size gift. This is in Darling, D-A-H-L-I-N-G, Darling. I always do this and then I end up putting it on the screen, but y'all can see it good enough. I really don't have time to be showing y'all all this because you know it's Sunday and I gotta get ready for church. I'm basically ready, my face just isn't. And this is a Skin Longevity. This is what it's called, Vital Power Infusion. And it's just like a serum, like a moisturizer. So this is exactly what the full size looks like. The package and everything is just bigger. So I believe it's a moisturizer. It just says put 2 pumps all over face and neck. So if I don't feel fully moisturized after this, then I'm gonna use some more moisturizer. Oh my God, it feels like butter. And it smells like, I know you're supposed to moisturize up, but that's so unnatural to me. It feels like, and if you hear a fan or something in the background, the heater's on, and Daryl's also getting ready, and he's probably gonna start playing his guitar soon. So I'm just tired of doing voiceovers. This will partially be a voiceover, but not entirely. Y'all, I don't think I need nothing else. This stuff is so smooth. You know what though? I'm gonna put a little bit of my Dove Intense Cream under my eyes. I feel like it'd be so dry under there, but I'm not gonna put it over the rest of my face because I like the way she did my makeup and I did film it. I'll either put it before or after this clip. I'm gonna make it one video, so just stick around for the whole video, y'all. Yeah, so I like the way she did my face, so I'm gonna do it the same way as she did it. And I feel like I didn't get right here in between my forehead, so I just took like a half a drop and I'm putting that up here. Oh my gosh, you guys have to get this. It feels so good. So it's not the eyebrow brush that I like to use. I'll use it when I can't find the other one. And normally I'll just brush them, but I may fill them in a little bit today. Also gonna put coconut oil in my eyebrows. Hopefully the foundation doesn't stick to it too much. I'm not gonna put a lot. I like. I look like a grease monkey. Then I'm gonna go in with my bareMinerals Prime Time. So let's go ahead and get started with the eyes. I have this LA Girl eyeshadow primer, and I am going to prime my eyelids first, and then I'm going to blend it down with a mini beauty sponge to make it nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go in with my black Radiance Sculpt shade from the Contour Palette in medium to deep. And I'm going to just start blending that into my crease, and then I'm going to put it all over my eyelid and take it from my eyelid all the way up to my brow bone. So now I'm going to go in my crease with the shade All Star from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. So I want to lay down a darker color first before I go in with the lighter colors on my lid. Then I'm going in with the shade Buno Fresco from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm just packing that on my lid. I'm not really blending it. I'm just packing it on my lid. And then I'm going to take it up to my crease and blend it just a little bit into the All-Star color. And then I'm going to start with my finger, and I'm going to take the New Money shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm going to pat that all over my lid. And I really want this to pop. Normally when I do this with the brush or try to lay concealer down first, it creases. So I really like how I did it this time, where I just blended the colors down and then I went ahead and went in with my finger. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend everything together so we don't have lines. And then I'm going in with my concealer before my foundation. There's no foundation on my face. I know a lot of time people can't tell. So I'm just going to go in with the concealer and conceal first. This is LA Girl in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm going to blend that down. And I'm going to use that to clean up the edges of my eyeshadow as well. And then I'm going to go in with a mini sponge to get closer to my under eye. So now the moment you all been waiting for, I'm going in with this bareMinerals Complexion Rescue Foundation Stick in the shade Chestnut. And this is actually a perfect match for my skin. I know I said in the video I wasn't sure, but it is. So I started blending the foundation out with a sponge first, and it didn't work that well, which is no surprise. Most foundation sticks work better when you blend them out with a brush, as did this one. And then I went in afterward with my sponge just to smooth it out. I feel like in the store, it looked like my identical same color under that lighting. But now it looks just a little ashy. I don't know, I might have to take it back. It is really smooth though. And you have to build it to coverage. It doesn't automatically come off full coverage. You have to build it up. It feels so smooth though, and like skin-like, looks skin-like, but I feel like it's coming up a little ashy, sis. Just a little bit ashy. So now that I did it with the brush, I'm gonna go over it with the sponge. It works better with the brush. But yeah. So now I'm gonna go in with some more concealer just to conceal and highlight my under eye. You really don't need all this concealer. I'm just trying to find new ways not to crease. So if you see me trying out new stuff, just try it and see if it works for you. But you can continue your concealer as you normally do. I'm just trying new ways. And if you watched my vlog before this previous video, I went to bareMinerals and I showed you like the lady showing me how she puts concealer on and she put it on me. And I still ended up creasing. Like, I'm so irritated with this whole creasing situation. But nonetheless, carry on with your makeup as usual. And now I'm going to go in and bronze up my face with the Black Radiance Contour Powder. And I'm going to blend it all the way into my hairline. And I'm also going to take that contour powder and define my cheekbone and do like a little bit of contour as well. Yeah, so I like everything about the foundation stick except for the color. It's like no foundation is going to be your exact skin tone. And then the other color she had was too dark. That happens to me sometimes too. Rather, I'm like an in-between shade. So I'll have to mix them. But I think I'm just going to take it back. Because it's not like I can't get other foundation. But I feel like if you can find your good shade match, or if you just want to bronze up your face, because I never just put on a stick or a liquid foundation by itself. I always bronze my face up or contour it, so, which is what I'm doing now. And once I add that, it's not a problem at all. So it's up to you how you want to do it, but I like to try new stuff out sometimes and share it with you guys. Because I was so excited about that. I still love it. I still love like how I load, like, well, I put a decent amount of product on my face and it doesn't feel cakey. So I really like that. It's just so smooth and lightweight, y'all. Like, I just love it. I absolutely love it. After it settles into my face, I'm going to see what it looks like later. L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black, nothing new. Now we're going in with this Black Radiance Blush in Wild Berry. And we're going to put it on heavy with the brush and then blend it down with the sponge. Same thing as I always do. And you just want to make it very smooth and natural looking. But y'all know I love blush. And mine don't really look natural, but blend it out, girl. Blend it out. And then go in with your Betty Luminizer highlight. And get that face lit up. Put it on your cheekbone, your nose, your forehead, your cupid's bow. Girl, you got to glow. Woo! Yes, I love to highlight, y'all. So we're going to do that too. So now we're going in with our NYX lip liner in Mahogany, which is my fave, y'all. And we're going to outline our lips and then rub our lips together, clean up the edges. And then we're going to go over it with our bareMinerals lip gloss in Darling. And that is it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheenboo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, Sheenboo. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheenboo all the time. Snapchat and all of that, you already know where Sheenboo is at.